Prince Hussein and Prince Ali Mohammed today met with the French Minister for Overseas Territories Naima Moudchao in Paris. The meeting built on the discussions between Maulana Hazir Imam and French President Emmanuel Macron on the 11th of July 2025, that included a joint desire to increase support to the Indian Ocean region, particularly in the aftermath of Cyclone Chido, which impacted Mayotte in December 2024. Located between Mozambique and Madagascar in the Indian Ocean, Mayotte is surrounded by a vast coral reef system and a lagoon covering about 1,500 square kilometers, making it a major destination for diving, snorkeling, and marine wildlife viewing. Mayotte has also been home to a Jamaat, many originating from neighboring Madagascar, for decades. Today, on World Oceans Day, the Ismaili Imama and the Aga Khan Foundation signed a Memorandum of Understanding for the reconstruction and development of Mayotte, with the French government and the Agence Française de Développement. The work in Mayotte is part of a broader AKDN initiative. The work underway in Mayotte forms part of a broader coastal regeneration initiative in the Indian Ocean, led by the Aga Khan Development Network, AKDN, in several countries across the region where it has been active for many decades. It will benefit from the experience gained by AKDN in other parts of the region. Following the memorandum signed last month at the Africa Forward Summit for AFD-AKDN cooperation in Tanzania, today's MOU sets out initial projects in Mayotte worth €8.5 million. These projects have been selected for their contribution to the regeneration of the lagoon and are funded by AKF as part of the reconstruction and development strategy for Mayotte being implemented by France. AFD has been appointed to coordinate this cooperation. The principles of Islam teaches us that everything on earth, from the smallest insect to the tallest tree, has a purpose, and it is our responsibility to be mindful stewards, protecting the environment and its creatures, showing respect for Allah's creations. During the signing ceremony, Minister Moudchao said, "The expression of solidarity shown by your late father, Aga Khan IV, in the days following Cyclone Chido touched us deeply. We were very moved by this gesture, which demonstrates the bonds of trust that unite the Ismaili Imama and France." In his remarks, Prince Ali Mohammed said, "This work builds on many decades of AKDN engagement in coastal regions, where environmental restoration, livelihoods, enterprise development, and community resilience must be understood and practiced together." The program being prepared jointly by our teams focuses on the restoration of coastal zones both on oceans and on lands, and additional preservation work of the Mayotte Marine Natural Park. Our shared conviction is that environmental recovery is not separate from human recovery. Healthy ecosystems protect communities, sustain livelihoods, and create the conditions for long-term resilience.